benai ki bansawan. Ka jingkilan met yoga ka badai ka dak kashin jong ka jingyalang ka wei jong ka jingmut jing perkat ka met ka pat bat ka mensim kala pau nam bha ka leng ka perthei bansam jing tip shushu halor ka jingkilan met yoga la Rakhe ka International Yoga Day ka ba Shiphew ka leng jong ka Jylla Meghalaya. Ka International Yoga Day ka baningkong la Rakhe da ka jing job ha ka arpuai terik ubnai jeliu ar hajar khatsan ha ka leng ka perthei. Tungin ngap yakini ki khubor ki babnia.
Kumjuru daga school Army Public School Shillong kumah news pangut ki khna puli ha ki ar kanhon kile shim banta ha ka yoga program kabalalong ha school Army Public School katba kumba shis pangut ki shipai bat ki kinram ki London jong ka kanhon shipai BSF kile shim banta lang ha kani ka program International Yoga Day.
Yoga is a very good form to release all that stress or anything that's building up.
And I find it very relaxing and it makes me less stressful.
Kakanhon Shipai Assam Rifles kala Rakhe ya ka International Day kaba Shiphew jong ka jingkilan met yoga da ka program kaba ipu iping ha headquarters Directorate General Latkor. Ka Assam Rifles kala pendong ya ka jing pen inam ya ka jingkilan met yoga ha Kylleng kathan chatai lam mingi jong kari India ha kaba kala banjur khamtam e halor ka jingko jingkhya jong ka met kaphat kaperkhat kaperdan bat kumjuru halor ka jingsuk jingsan jong ka jinglong mensim hapo ri bhoi ka seng ri lajong Farmers Produce Organization bat ka ri bhoi College kila Rakhe ya ka International Yoga Day mentakasngi dakispa ngot ki nong rap kenthopru ya ki samla ki samhoi kila penpau ya ka jing sngo kemen chongki banyeshim banta ha ka jing Rakhe ya ka Yoga Day Hari Bhoi College ya ka ni program la penlong da ka Meghalaya Yog Samiti ha ringkat ka jinge trailang bat ka National Service Scheme NSS Daga jing tmu ban penslor ya ki long menta ban yashim benta ha ka jing kilan met yoga ban kintiu ya ko koi ka khya pat kiwei.
Then the message for the young boy, please do physical activities. You can become healthy. We can make healthier our boy Meghalaya. We have the vision to self-reliant Meghalaya.
Ka National Ayush Mission Meghalaya mentakasi kala Rakhe ya ka International Day ka ba Shiphew jong ka jing kilan met yoga arajar arpsaw ha la ai roi garden kadaj nong mansong kumbashi spa hnyopu hnyongut ki brio kilai shimbanta ha ka ni gisngi ki wakanthop ya ki nurse na Civil Hospital Shillong Ganesh Das Hospital Shillong bat ki shipai.
On this occasion, I would again like to emphasize and underscore the importance of yoga. Yoga being one of the most easily practiced exercise for the non-communicable diseases. We all as doctors, we understand there are limitations so far as the allopathic medicine is concerned.
Ha West Giant Hills District ya ka International Yoga Day da ka phangpaneng yoga for women empowerment lani ka jingkilan met yoga na ka banta ban pen ko bor ya ki kinthai la Rakhe ha Kylleng ka district ha shangpong poshnong bat ha dorbar shnong Kylleng ra joy ya ka jing Rakhe la penlong da ka art of living jong ka shnat tre kam shangpong bat ka shnat tre kam joy. Bureau Report DD Meghalaya.
Mentang ini